Mamma Wakwaba and found bra GCN page so meeting at the address search. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some bell the so obey a notification and some pursue or may be obeying a beauty and as obeying a share a war GCN page ha. Former Central Regional Chairman Dema NDC Amayokuru Ura Bernard Alote Jacobs has reacted to a happy birthday messenger. Oman Penida that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a day Emma His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ikufado, a wabrana or celebrating the birthday. Now, Ura Bernard Alotidoko Etrese, a birthday messenger Oman Penida that His Excellency, a day Emma Nanado Dankwa Ikufado. It's in the form of wishing him congratulations a year 2020 about year 20 because year 2 abani we ya NDC Amayoko edi in Kukuno enya de Oman Penida that His Excellency a phone a day a free Nanado intini Nanado edi ne birthday na se wa ma no a birthday messenger a ya dia original congratulations e wa bana year 2020 no and na friends no always one wish enya dia Oman Penida that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama betumi abeye president wo Ghana ha biuda he obeye president na umbretwe ma umbretwe enya de obesan so ababa kibio nti wa wish na eye na emumi no enye a birthday message bi no de ma no but of all wish no because of a year 2020 abana ye to ya wa man congratulations nti no wa wish no preko na adofoye ye nim say enche bia na His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ikufado celebrating the birthday wenya 77 na eyade Ghana fu bebre ni je papa because obi wenya 77 na oda so look so good no na yade Ghana fu enika ye fe papa amanfo bebre share His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ikufado happy birthday MPP for NDC for any Ghana fu bia share His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ikufado ni hokeni Madam Rebecca beautiful Rebecca nichocho bucho ebereshe no say happy birthday Mr. President my mind day for you Ghana fu bebre kasa say oh say nukun ye guy ntono so ye guy ntina wa o wish nukun happy birthday say be yen sem bebre neno e na Owura Lote Jacobs ye former Central Regional Chairman Dema NDC Amayoko no eko happy FM epa hwada Benjamin Day so neno e no mo bisa ne say eye Oman Penida that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa wish Nanado happy birthday nana dwin wo hwan se neno no wo kire se enye a birthday message bi no de ema no na mbom ne 2020 abana ye to ye NDC fudi nkuku a Oman Penida that went to me afa phone afre His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ikufado no eno ene na suntu a why wishing happy birthday na is in the form of wishing His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Ikufado congratulations and na friends no otwini mu tan kwanya de a obetumi abeye president e wo man because nimre no eyade a etwemi ye pa na etiensem a Owura Bernard Alote Jacobs e de etudwa
exemplary leadership it's a showcase for every Ghanaian. A politician looking at his age at the age of 77 now I that brings away the 60 years. It speaks volume. Not that he is living, in a good lifestyle. But you'll be very strict, no way making sure that may if you rather young people on them as a boom mangana. Na ni leadership so message you go me if you are. Professor Amazon Owundam. They were two close friends.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing the same thing that is happening. And more because he has lived the 4 years.
Yeah.
And he's adding another 4 years
to it.
I wish him very well.
You wish him very well.
Because ni quality leadership or the rule of money. Our governance process is on course. I hope that by 2024 we will see more beautiful things than before.
I see. Well, so the president is in faraway Spain. I'm sure he'll be returning later tonight, but I'm sure he's also heard your message. And the NPP for now are wishing with a statement from their general secretary. And I also saw Abba wishing. Me tell them Mahama so are wishing.
Well, that's good for our governance system. After all, what do we want?
Yeah.
What time pa into baby da what time and say we are in a new governance system.
Yeah.
And I say it's going on well with us. It's going on well with Ghana.
So one at a time
Oh, one with your man being done and one time that's why they are called express.
But do you think it's a birthday wish now on Mampenya Kufuado or free JM Hall rather than a concession?
A sign of respect.
Or a sign of respect. But one concede to the elections.
And it's one way of conceding to the election defeat. Wishing your opponent who has defeated you in the election, then you are refusing to concede. And then you are wishing him long life and the best. I tell you there, yes. Indirectly, you are conceding.
You are conceding. I see. Maybe he wants to eat a humble pie, so he's finding that means to get closer.
Yeah, so many ways to go to Kumasi. Happy Kumasi.
You know,
Butuma Frank, Butuma for Cape Coast,
sure.
For Takrali.
Them.
And that is how it is.
Well, last week you were all over in the news after officialdom will issue a letter for your sack. And you did speak on air through the phone, but one-on-one, because yet there will be simple central region there. Oh, by anyone youth organizer can say.
Oh, one youth organizer and Ofuzwan Pofo, new campaign coordinator for central region, Ampofo 2024. And I had to expose them.
Ampofo 2024. Mente.
Oh, it was there. It was a submarine.
No, I will not to go more. Mente the waka will be as Ampofo 2024.
I'm catch out.
We can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho say, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Atu Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no, where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know na tiada. Because someone will say the current situation or the current state of NDC, problematic. To me, for ye bibia mani ye. Adis yenko kunipa, yenko shiade, yen tiasie, ye per boys. Hey, let's organize boys, no munko shijama, and the NDC for beba. Ye diobia kokot, ye penipa kakra no ma party t-shirt, and ye kudinechi, NDC for beko. Hey, and so share ho, and yashi ye beko mufengu ya yankoko. Hey, sir. Intimo de biano, we bukashi na bukashi, and non kwa. There be. Nye na bukashi nkwa. NDC, enye na bukashi nkwa. Toda, mumma margin no enye juma. Mumma nyankopon, na new nyaman daddy. Se modern adwene odema amono beye juma. Sebe. Some of you, mu nyansa chin sami jemfi. Enso sami jemfi beba beka asema kire no wagye di na no mo na wo de beye juma. Enkosi da ben. Mo be kokot afi mo wen mugase eko. Mo wen mugase afi de mo de to mo. Okay. Now, me ba ha na me be kasa. Na se manka me so me party asemo a. Star eyi Kwakuado hold no ho say president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president say he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting, say, since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? I still don't get you guys. At the end of bia, minion way be piano, say yen tro, say yen nada, say ye wickedness, just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so will be bia bonnet. Now, and almost signed the question petition. Patrotio, I couldn't see I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who said some of us, ye mu bebre no, ye yare awiefire. Awiefire ya ade e wo ye ho asetena pa no, e ma ye awiefire ade entem. Because se wo de sum for 4-5 years. Na nyame adawro ma wo bi aba. Na se 4-5 years wo te han mu a won ko sum mu. Na nyame ama opportunity say, koda se nipa ya se wetumi de han ya si wo so from fie 9. Na se wo kokoto abetia ne say wo pede ode dum so eba ye ma wo business say ye wo mewu ye yi wo kunadi e wo adwuma ye yi wo yire di say hairdressers for barber for wine ice water for ice cream for ni na ho kire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana. And anyone that was in Ghana anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. It is a free sa ade ni muni na afi na sen emfie 920 because na na akufo ado aba wo kan yesi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light di sua ade enti no owi afi se na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo ene bedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mo a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika. Sorry, omunim nyansa omudibu my name in terms of sika no mo scan womo ene bedi o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika yemfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. We've seen so many people, I know Muska, but it's not some bad managers into no musika na ntumi anya dey and survival omo form. We see this day in, day out. Into seminia say NDC niba. Na so see or court. Already no why a press conference say where we need say. O court ya and no can where you home. Afi wo court so a. One semo kura say be fa court. Na ye nyina so ma no. What the constitution no to why ye be twa bebre mu agu. And ye ma mo chance say mombe amend mu petition. Ye ma mo chance no. Menu aba ma. Ye ma NDC for chance so say omo sanko anko amend ya. Omo antumi amfa we ni na amba wo instead no. Omo kofa kire kofa ade bia ye friend interrogatories 12 and omo de bae. Ye ni na ye hu dia judges ne ye. Omo boni na agu ye. Eno nkoda nchen. Yiwe ye no. And you be so say witnesses are here and to prove their case. Now, witness will be on said they have 5 witnesses who follow court case. Maybe I'm saying maintain a military control. So remember, I'm saying something different. Almost say almost the 5 witnesses and a beba and the CMA. A brand do say ye maybe a 7 or 5 witnesses. No, I feel they change it. Aqua 2 for now. Ne two no so the prime one say wom see don't get here. Now listen, I have no problem with the see don't get here being a key witness